In the bustling heart of New York City lies a challenge that every driver knows too well: the quest for affordable car insurance. So the big question is, can you get cheap car insurance in New York? Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising through spacious landscapes, we've got you covered. You can start by visiting FreeAdvice.com, your ultimate destination for insurance quotes. All it takes is your zip code. And just like that, a collection of tailored New York insurance quotes will light up your screen. But in this exciting video, we're going to reveal insider information to help you find affordable car insurance in the Empire State. Whether you're a savvy Manhattanite, a laid-back Brooklynite, or a driver from any corner of this great state, join us as we uncover the tried and true techniques and the latest hacks that will have you driving with confidence, knowing you've got the best deal on your side. So fasten your seatbelt and get ready, because the road to cheaper car insurance in New York starts here. If you're a proud car owner in the Empire State, you're likely well aware that it's common to find expensive New York car insurance coverage. Insurance companies have to balance their books, considering the frequent accidents and tricky fraudulent claims they encounter. And car insurance rates in New York tend to be quite pricey. But here's the scoop. If you play it safe on the roads and take the time to explore the car insurance market, you should be able to find affordable auto insurance in New York. Don't forget to start your journey by comparing quotes from different providers. Just punch in your zip code using our free online tool at FreeAdvice.com. Easy peasy. It's the only way to be able to know you got the best deal on your coverage. And you won't want to miss a moment of this video. We've put together an extensive guide to give you the lowdown on everything related to car insurance in New York. Trust us, it's worth the watch. Let's kick things off by answering the basic question. What's the minimum car insurance in the vibrant state of New York? New York operates under a no-fault car insurance system. What does that mean? Well, it's pretty straightforward. In the event of an accident, regardless of who's to blame, your own insurance company steps up to cover the damages. No finger pointing is required. The dollars that come into play after a crash and cover the necessary repairs and medical expenses come from something called Personal Injury Protection, or PIP. Every driver in New York is required to carry this coverage as part of their car insurance policy. Now, you might be wondering, how much does minimum auto insurance in New York cost? One of the ways to know the answer is by shopping around and comparing quotes from various insurers. Well, you can head over to FreeAdvice.com to learn more about your minimum coverage rates as a New York driver. Just enter your zip code to find and compare instant quotes from New York insurance companies. You may be interested to know some of the average costs of car insurance coverage in New York. But before you can determine how much your insurance policy will cost, you need to know the types of coverage you're required to have. New York drivers must carry Personal Injury Protection, or PIP, liability coverage, and uninsured motorist coverage. While you may choose the amounts of each type of coverage you want, you must meet your state's minimum requirements for coverage to drive legally. So, now that you know what you're required to carry for car insurance in New York, which companies offer the cheapest coverage? When it comes to minimum coverage auto insurance in New York, the options seem endless. Yet, finding that sweet spot in pricing requires some research. You've got to browse and compare quotes from various companies all at once. One super convenient way? Check out FreeAdvice.com. With just your zip code, our nifty search tool opens up a world of substantial quotes and insurance insights. On average, AAA comes in the cheapest for car insurance rates in New York, charging just $32 per month for a minimum coverage policy. Geico is a close second, charging roughly $40 each month for coverage. Liberty Mutual charges the most for New York coverage on average, with policyholders paying $104 each month to meet the state's minimum requirements for car insurance. Now let's dive into the world of New York's full coverage auto insurance. Buckle up because there's a bit more to it than just the basics. Full coverage auto insurance in New York is a bit pricier no matter which insurance company you choose. Why? Well, full coverage offers you that extra layer of protection, which comes with up to 3 times more than a simple liability-only policy. When it comes to the most affordable full coverage in the game, Geico takes the lead. For a full coverage car insurance policy, Geico charges around $78 per month. AAA comes in second in terms of the most affordable full coverage car insurance. AAA offers full coverage for approximately $86 per month. Progressive comes in third, charging $96 per month on average for a full coverage policy. Remember, each option has its merits and considerations, so take the time to explore your choices by visiting FreeAdvice.com. There, you can compare quotes from a variety of insurance providers and get the best insurance that fits your needs. If you're looking for cheap car insurance, it's important to examine each company's average cost to make a smart decision. But what if you're looking for more than just affordable coverage? Well, if you are, you're in luck. We are going to discuss the best of the best in terms of New York car insurance companies. Here's the good news, New Yorkers. Finding the best deal doesn't have to be a traffic jam. To find the best auto insurance in New York, you simply need to know what you're looking for. For example, if you have a clean driving record and are in your late 20s or older, you may be shopping to find the most competitive rates for minimum or full coverage in the state. If you have blemishes on your driving record, you could shop and compare quotes to determine which car insurance company offers affordable rates for high-risk drivers. And individuals who work for companies like Uber or Lyft may want to ensure they have coverage when they're on and off the clock. So don't forget to visit FreeAdvice.com today. Enter your zip code into our free quote tool and compare costs and coverage options from the best car insurance companies New York has to offer. And there you have it, the lowdown on getting affordable car insurance in the great state of New York. It might require a bit of effort, but trust us, the potential to snag coverage that's well below the statewide average is worth it. Here's the kicker. You'll never really know which insurance company will offer the most affordable coverage in New York until you compare quotes from various providers all at once. Visit FreeAdvice.com to find and compare quotes from top companies in your area. Doing so will allow you to get the coverage you need at a price that works for you. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're craving more insurance insights, there's a treasure trove of videos waiting for you on our channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our upcoming content. And like and share our video with people you know who might want to learn more about cheap car insurance in New York. While you're at it, check out our Progressive car insurance review to learn more about the company. This particular video will help you determine if Progressive's flexible coverage options, innovative features, and competitive rates are the perfect fit for your New York City lifestyle. Thank you for joining us as we explore the ins and outs of New York car insurance. We hope you've enjoyed it and learned a lot, and we'll see you next time.